maybe a little dicey. This isn't a rainstorm. This is a Category 7 hurricane. What are we doing? I want to see governors who have actually taken hard stands and are continually moving the ball forward, not playing where at least we're not them, certainly not playing defense. I want somebody on the offense.
You mentioned Texas and Greg Abbott's another one to throw in there. I would assume you would say no on him.
No.
Larry Hogan, Liz Cheney from has been rumored as well. No. So really no one there that you think there's no one out as the one you maybe said had potential as a
I think there's I think predicting at this point is crazy.
That's why it's non-binding. That's why I non-binded you.
Yeah, well, because this literally, all of this stuff could change overnight. We could be without power in 2024. We could also be the king of the world with some Bitcoin in 2020. We have no idea what is coming. This is the most unstable the world has been in my lifetime. I can't have another time that is more unstable than it is right now. So let's all pretend we're alcoholics and take it one day at a time. All right, let me tell you about Rough Green. Cheryl wrote in about her dog's experience. She said, Glenn, I was actually really skeptical about Rough Greens and it would have any effect on my dogs. However, my dog got sick, had surgery, doing well, and I decided, well, I'm going to just at least try it. 11-year-old dog, surgery. She said within a week's time, she was playing like a pup. Totally amazed at how better both of my dogs' digestion has been, which I think, is that code for dog farts? Is that, because I don't know if they make that claim. Although, well, never mind. All right, Rough Green. Thank you for, sorry for wrecking that nice testimonial, Cheryl. Thank you for writing in. Rough Greens is not a dog food, it's a supplement developed by naturopathic Dr. Dennis Black. Has everything in it your dog needs. You just put it on screen, so confident that your dog's going to love it that they want to make sure that you feel comfortable ordering it, and you don't lose out on any money if your dog doesn't like it. So they're going to send you a trial pack for free. You just pay for shipping, sprinkle it on your dog's food for a few days, and see if he'll eat it. If he'll eat it, order the big bag and make sure you put it on every meal, and you will see a remarkable difference. At least I did with my dog. Stu did, Pat did. Free trial bag, pay for shipping, roughgreens.com/Beck, ruffgreens.com/Beck, or call 833-GLEN-33, 833-GLEN-33, roughgreens.com/Beck.
Join the conversation. 888-7. The Glenn Beck Program.
Power Talk 1460 and FM 101.1.
Hello, Fremont. I'm Amy Eric, founder of Madison Reed, a hair color company I named after my daughter. I started Madison Reed to give you the most gorgeous hair color made with ingredients you could feel good about. You may know Madison Reed for our at-home hair color, but big news, we now have over 80 locations nationwide where we color your hair for you. And now we have a grand opening of our newest hair color bar at Pacific Commons. Salon results without salon cost and time. Let one of our professional stylists take care of you with hair color services from all over color, roots, gloss, highlights, and balayage. Book an appointment for fast at Pacific Commons. For a limited time, grand opening special for new clients, get 20% off your first hair color service at a Madison Reed hair color bar. Visit madison-reed.com/Fremont. madison-reed.com/Fremont. Try it. Love it. That's the beauty of Madison Reed.
Tim, we need to talk. I just can't get over that rate increase from Verizon and AT&T last year.
We'll switch to mobile and get their price lock guarantee. They won't raise our rates for talk, text, and data ever.
Oh, we're switching today.
Switch to T-Mobile and get 4 lines for $25 a line with our price lock guarantee. We won't raise the price of your rate plan for talk, text, and data ever.
4 lines for $25
$10 per line with autopay, plus taxes and fees. $5 more per month without autopay. Price lock for qualifying services excludes taxes, fees, select promos, and third-party services. See T-Mobile.com for details.
Life is uncertain. It's okay to feel stressed, anxious, worried, or frustrated. CalHope can help. Access CalHope's free and secure mental health resources. Call 833-317-4673 or live chat at calhope.org.
Accelerate your savings during Redwood Credit Union's auto loan rate sale. Take advantage of discounted rates now through March 31st on new auto loans from another lender. Lower rates mean better options, so you can get the car you love with an affordable payment. Apply online or ask for RCU financing at the dealership. Get started today. Redwood Credit Union, for all that you love. Discount effective through 3/31/23. Rates, terms, and special offers and refinances of existing loans from another lender. Restrictions may apply.
Okay, we know you have incredible musical taste. So Etsy is the marketplace for people on any budget who prefer beautifully made items from independent sellers. Shop for jewelry, decor, personalized gifts, and more. New to Etsy? Use code AUDIO10 to get 10% off your first purchase. 10. Maximum discount value of $50. Offer ends March 15th, 2023. See terms at etsy.com/terms. Why buy boring? Shop at etsy.com.
It's time to fuel up again. And now, you can earn reward points while you do it. Plus, $1 off per gallon on your next 3 visits. Sign up for the Chevron app and start earning reward points at participating Chevron stations on every fuel transaction and qualifying install. Now that's rewarding. Download the Chevron app in the App Store and sign up today. Terms and conditions apply.
If there was a university on the train, an accounting class under the one shady spot at soccer practice. Imagine if every waiting room was actually a classroom. What if you could pick the time and the place that works for you, and college would just appear? Online classes, short 8-week courses, and personalized support to help you succeed in college, wherever you are in life. Major in your future.
To the Glenn Beck program. We're so glad you joined us. I think technically we're pretty sound now. Okay, it only took us 2 days. Texas is insane. Everything stops. There's not. I mean, I'd be out there in the front with salt shakers, and that's it. That's it. You're not clearing any of the ice. It hasn't snowed here, but we have about half an inch of ice on all of the roadways. We don't have sand. We don't have salt trucks. So it's great. It's great. And tomorrow another ice storm is coming. Yeah. Don't you feel like you're in nursery? It's like nowhere else in America does this happen. And you're like, I'm out. And it happens every year.
Yeah, it turns into April 2020 COVID, where no one goes out.
I know.
The entire society is it's like a 3-day pandemic.
Yeah, it's horrible. It's absolutely horrible. So, broadcasting from my barn, which does not look like Stu's porno palace at his house. I don't even know what that is, Stu. But
it's my wife's podcast studio. What
it's
are you
a weird studio. I don't know what your wife is talking about. Podcast. It's weird. It's weird.
It's the Lisa Beach made me do a podcast. It's very girly. But I will say it does have a very fluorescent sign behind me.
Yes,
and I guess that is a little...
It does.
Not normally where you see your news talk host broadcast.
No, it's not. No, it's not.
Well, look where you are. You said it was a barn. That does not look like a barn to me. All I see cars behind you. That's a barn to you as a person who's never done outdoor work in his entire life.
Hey, call it a barn because it used to be a barn. This used to be a horse stall. I bought Terry Bradshaw's old place, and it was this nasty horse stall that was full of all kinds of deadly stuff down here in Texas. And so we gutted it. So it is a barn. It's just not a normal barn on the inside.
Yeah, well,
could
You
do
mean
nothing.
when you
no
change
work.
something, right? Something to something else, it ceases to be the thing it was. That's how the transition.
Really? I remember it was about a week before I finished, and I thought to myself, I am 5 days away from fundamentally transforming this barn. And nobody has a problem when you transform America. I guess it's still America. Point made, Stu.
The Glenn Beck Program.
Power Talk 1460 and FM 101.1.
Every year, over 15,000 independent farms and ranches in America are lost. Why? Because 85% of the grass-fed beef in the United States is imported from overseas. You probably can't even notice it in stores because foreign meat is labeled as a product of U.S. It's not American meat. America needs you to shop with Good Ranchers. All the meat is born and raised in America. Subscribe to Good Ranch. They'll include 2 pounds of chicken for free in every box for your first year. That's $149 value you can lock in today. Support American farms and ranchers. Claim your free chicken for a year and save $20 on your box by going to goodranchers.com. Use the promo code GLENN. Change the way you buy meat. Save American farms and get lots of delicious meat for free. Yeah, no crickets included. GoodRanchers.com. American meat delivered.
I've told you about my lower back pain and how kneeling in church on Sunday was becoming nearly unbearable. Sebastian Gorka here. I've also told you about how Relief Factor has helped almost eliminate my pain. Now, let me tell you what Robert in California says about his experience with Relief Factor. Robert writes, I didn't think Relief Factor was working until I ran out mid-month. After about 3 days, the pain was back to where it started. It was a great test for me to see how much Relief Factor really works. 3 weeks from now, you could be doing the things you enjoy doing and living the life you love. Your first step to becoming pain-free from aches and could be just to order the 3-week quick start for only $19.95. After trying Relief Factor, over 500,000 people have gone. Go to relieffactor.com or call 800-4RELIEF to find out about this offer. That's relieffactor.com or call 800-4RELIEF. Feel the difference with Relief Factor.
Check. Hello, Fremont. I'm Amy Eric, founder of Madison Reed, a hair color company I named after my daughter. I started Madison Reed to give you the most gorgeous hair color made with ingredients you could feel good about. You may know Madison Reed for our at-home hair color, but big news. We now have over 80 locations nationwide where we color your hair for you. And now we have a grand opening of our newest hair color bar at Pacific Commons. Salon results without salon cost and time. Let one of our professional stylists take care of you with hair color services from all over color, roots, gloss, highlights, and balayage. Book an appointment for fast and fabulous hair color at our newest hair color bar at Pacific Commons. For a limited time, grand opening special for new clients, get 20% off your first hair color service at a Madison Reed hair color bar. Visit madison-reed.com/Fremont. That's madison-reed.com/Fremont. Try it. Love it. That's the beauty of Madison Reed.
Another FBI search, another Biden residence. I'm Dave Anthony, Fox News. Agents are at President Biden's Rehoboth Beach, Delaware vacation home, searching for any classified documents after material was found at the Biden Wilmington house and in an old D.C. office from his time as vice president and maybe senator.
The big the president himself will weigh in on these latest developments. He's going to be on camera at least twice today, and he's been facing a lot of questions about how far he would be cooperating with the special counsel. Of course, this investigation still ongoing.
At the White House, one of the times he might talk after meeting with House Speaker Kevin McCarthy discussing raising the debt limit to avoid a possible U.S. default. Republicans demand spending cuts attached to any increase. This as House Republicans hold 2 hearings this morning into Biden administration policies. Oversight Committee Chair James Comer's investigation.
Have been examining the massive waste, fraud, and abuse in COVID relief programs.
Counters that spending was vital when COVID hit.
Expanded unemployment insurance benefits and the PPP. families and businesses to avoid economic collapse.
The other hearing focuses on border policy amid a surge that's a record of illegal immigration. Republicans are readying articles of impeachment to oust Homeland Security Secretary Alejandro Mayorkas. Gordon tells Fox,
He's done a terrible job. I think it's been done intentionally. I don't see how any rational person can
expected to go anywhere in the Democrat-led Senate. One of the migrants stopped last week at the border was an Iranian national on the terror watch list, found being smuggled in a car trunk. There have been 136 people on that terror watch list stopped at the border this and last fiscal years. Tom Brady is passing on playing football anymore after 23 seasons and a record 7 Super Bowl wins.
For good.
Unlike last year when he quit, then unretired.
Thank you guys so much to every single one of you for supporting me.
America's listening to Fox News.
My friend had his home stolen. The crime is home title theft. It's real. It's horrendous, but it's real and it's everywhere. Now, luckily, this was just a demo, but I saw how criminals all around the world target American homeowners, and that's why I protect my home with Home Title Lock, and you need to as well. And a thief can simply forge your signature. You sold your home to them. Homeowners insurance and common identity theft programs do not protect you. So protect yourself. Just go to their website. It's HometitleLock.com/Sean, S-A-N. Verify your home's title is still safely in your name. Then just register your address for a free, no obligation home title report for your files. That is a $100 value, absolutely free. That's HometitleLock.com/Sean. HometitleLock.com/Sean.
Hello, Fremont. I'm Amy Eric, founder of Madison Reed, a hair color company I named after my daughter. I started Madison Reed to give you the most gorgeous hair color made with ingredients you could feel good about. You may know Madison Reed for our at-home hair color, but big news. We now have over 80 locations nationwide where we color your hair for you. And now we have a grand opening of our newest hair color bar at Pacific Commons. Salon results without salon cost and time. Let one of our professional stylists take care of you with hair color services from all over color, roots, gloss, highlights, and balayage. Fabulous hair color at our newest hair color. Pacific Commons. For a limited time, grand opening special for new clients, get 20% off your first hair color service at a Madison Reed hair color bar. Visit madison-reed.com/Fremont. That's madison-reed.com/Fremont. Try it.
Este invierno enfría tu billetera con paquetes de cambio de aceite en Advance Auto Parts. Obtén 5 cuartos de Mobil 1, Castrol, Valvoline, Pennzoil o Fram, más un filtro selecto a un bajo precio. Elige un paquete de aceite Valvoline completamente sintético por solo $39.99 y llévate gratis un limpiador de sistema de combustible Gumout Regain en Advance Auto Parts. Aceite y el filtro que quieres, al precio que quieres todos los días. Solo en Advance Auto Parts y CarQuest participantes. Para más detalles.
Let me guess. Unknown caller? You could reduce the number of unwanted calls and emails with online privacy protection. The latest innovation from Discover will help regularly remove your personal info, like your name and address, from 10 popular people search websites that could sell your data. And we'll do it for free. Activate in the Discover app. See terms and learn more at discover.com/online privacy protection.
Dancing crew. Nailed the final interview. Game with Doug. Brand new mug. Come here, kid. Give me. The more you want to do, the more we want to do. New COVID-19 booster variants are now available. Learn about eligibility and schedule a free updated booster today at vaccines.gov. Sponsored by Pfizer and BioNTech.
NBA fans, it's time to bring the hoops action to the palm of your hand with DraftKings Sportsbook, an official sports betting partner of the NBA. This week, you can bet $5 and win $200 in free bets instantly. Download the app now and sign up with code IHEART. New customers can bet $5 on the NBA and get $200 in free bets instantly. Only at DraftKings Sportsbook. the NBA with code IHEART. 21 and over in most eligible states, but age varies by jurisdiction. In Ohio, bonus issued as free bets, opt-in required. Eligibility, wagering, and deposit restrictions apply. Terms at sportsbook.draftkings.com.